Welcome to Cookie Clicker 2 Truths and a Lie. Today we'll be looking at a few clips and you'll be figuring out if they're fake or not. I also have a few people with me today and partial credit will be given out if you guess the right clip but have the wrong reasoning. Also, just comment what you think is the right answer and why. I also just want to say that I kind of didn't record my own audio during Kurt's recording, so I'll just be recreating all of what I said. I also do want to say that my mic is really bad and I haven't realized until this video, like, there are places where I have to up my sound by 15 decibels, which is like 30 times more sound intensity according to Google.
Hi, I'm Chris Weber.
Hi, and I'll just watch this video and see. And I gotta try and figure out if this is normal gameplay or if you've cheated somehow in it.
Yep.
I'm just gonna take my time, go show them things. Cookie spawning on of prestige. You about to do a combo?
I don't even remember what I was doing when I was doing this clip. I think I was like taking it really slow on purpose.
Yeah, it looks like that.
I also don't know why it looks like I'm using a touchpad.
That's alright. It's been a while since I've grailed.
Weird choice of swapping. No photo for that reason.
Yeah, I just decided to be lazy and I didn't really want to do anything fancy. Like, I didn't do mid-combo upgrades.
Yeah, it just looks like a combo execution.
So, what do you think so far?
Everything looks normal, I guess.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out, like, maybe the mana's off or something.
I
13.
sent the second clip, so...
That's a lot of fortunes. Yo! Yeah, but clip 2 sure looks like something I've seen before. Garden puzzling.
Did Nyan just get trolled? Never mind.
Wait, did I like... Does that normally happen?
What do you mean?
I don't know. I'm kind of bad at the game, so not sure if that's supposed to happen.
Okay, you used a sugar lump on her. That's all. Okay. I have opinions. I think that growth is a bit absurd. I think this is fake so far.
Okay, clicking the cookie. Oh, that's the X-ray, isn't it? Like, is that the same thing?
Which exploit are you thinking of right now?
Wait. It's not right. That's just one again.
Okay. I don't even know what I'm looking. Oh wait, you just got into the cycle from that?
Yep. You zoomed into, like, wrapping paper or something.
I don't know. Like, they're all unlocked, right?
Most of them. Oh, everything
Most
I
of
can see
them?
is.
This one looks kind of sketchy. I don't know.
As of.
I mean, I don't know much, but like, I have most of the stuff unlocked, I think. So the cookies per second should be more when you buy the cursors.
Now, oh, hold up. You forfeit 35 cookies and you gain 4,000 prestige levels?
Yep.
That's a bit strange. Because, yeah, you already have a very high amount of prestige here. Oh, wait, can I see? How do you not have starter kit?
I think you know the answer to this.
I don't think I do, to be honest.
I mean, you can see Starter right there.
Yeah. Here you have Starter Kit, but here you've got. I mean, yeah, you have no curses and no
I
grandmas.
mean, I really wonder what turns off heavenly upgrades. Just saying.
Oh, you're right.
It's not right. This is just born again. This is a born again. I know there's this CBG exploit that exists, but it's born again, and
I'm just gonna say the solution is a bit more absurd than I think anyone here would expect.
Well, so far I'm thinking the first one is long, but I don't see anything wrong with it. There's a lot to look at though, so I could be missing something. The second one, I guess you just got like really lucky. That was anything at the start. Why'd you Elder Pledge? For fun? Is that?
wait, I'm just gonna check something. Go check if I'm gonna go check if the thing actually ages. I think it does.
Oh, okay. I mean that's a crazy tick in the garden, but to be on fertilizer, and then because I think Duke Takers need, unless let me just check. Do Duke Takers need 3 or 2? No, okay. Hold up. I feel like both the second two are impossible because Duke Takers need 3 adjacent. No, that's Shriek Bulbs.
Shriek Bulbs needs 5. 5 Queen
Yeah,
Bees.
or 3 Duke Takers.
Yeah. Well, I could say that this is Force the Hand of Fate or something like that. It's a bit too early for Fortune.
I swear to God, this is something to do with offsetting RNG thresholds. That'd be pretty bold.
Because Shriek Bulbs can make other Shriek Bulbs.
Yeah.
And I should know this about the garden, but I'm pretty sure like as a plant becomes mature, it can also mutate in that same like tick.
Yeah.
And Shriek Bulbs can mutate at any age. So is it possible like that this Shriek Bulb created this one? But then can it go in a chain in one tick? That'd be crazy. I don't think that's how it works, but
Are you getting somewhere?
it says on the wiki to get one, you can have 5 Queen Beets to make one, or you can have 1 Shriek Bulb of any age and 0 other Shriek Bulb? What does it even mean?
That means that
0.
So like if there's 2 Shriek Bulbs within a 3x3 of a plot, then a Shriek Bulb can't spawn there.
Right. Okay. So maybe Shriek Bulbs go in a chain reaction. I've never seen that, but it's technically possible. I think. Juicy Queen Beat can obviously go there, Duke Takers, I think. Now I'm justifying every clip. Yeah, Duke Takers take 1, 2 Queen Beats, so they're all definitely possible. That's possible. The Shriek Bulbs, I'm half on if that's possible. This one, yeah, I really don't know how you got prestige levels without. But getting 35 cookies, I don't know how they got you 4,000 prestige levels. But you would get endless cycle if you got prestige levels. That's reasonable. Again, I don't think I'm going to be able to find anything in this one. There's just so much stuff going on.
Yeah, there's a cursor building special, so that's not good friendly.
Interesting observation. I can't really say anything about that. It wasn't HP that invented that. It was me.
If it's something completely different, then I'm screwed. But I think it's either It's either the prestige levels or the fact that you got endless cycle. But okay, you would get endless cycle if you gain prestige levels.
Yeah, huh?
It's so that makes sense. It's just how did you even get prestige levels? I'm gonna guess that there's some weird way by using the challenge mode that you can get, like, maybe you get the ones you got last time.
Let's see if she spots anything wrong with the Y position or the golden cookie skin or something. Also, I probably should have included the bottom, but it doesn't really matter. I just didn't want to show the play bar.
Well, I'm gonna say clip 3 then. I can't find anything very wrong in clip 1, but maybe I have a skill issue.
I'm gonna say the third one is fake.
If I had to choose, it's like probably clip 3.
The answer is clip 1.
Really?
Oh my god, it's a RNG, it's an RNG thing. Oh my god.
What?
Before I explain why clip 1 is the faked one, let me explain why the others aren't. You might have noticed that in clip 1, I could use Sugar Frenzy twice. That is because of the infinite Sugar Frenzy bug. In clip 2, the entire thing was set up with advanced garden mechanics, and the 60-minute pledge is just due to me permaslotting sacrificial rolling pins, and then in the last clip, it's just a contribute good strat. So why is clip 1 the fake one? Well, there's a short and long answer. The short one is if we plug the conditions before and then after into the calculator for GFT to the next first hand of fate probabilities, then we see that the chance of getting a ruin from no change and then all the normal conditions on, and then a cookie storm drop from one change with the other normal conditions is 0. The long answer is that if we look at the table for what numbers correlate to what in First Hand of Fate, we can see that the number for Ruin and Cookie Storm Drop are the same, and there's conditions that they're casted. So we see that the number has to be less than 0.15 to be Cookie Storm Drop, and between 0.2 and 1 for Ruin. And then obviously a number can't be between both of those ranges, so it's impossible. Yeah, that's everything. Let me know like what I could have done better and stuff like that. I'll definitely get a mic hopefully, and yeah. Tell me if you got the question right or not.